Big mama, big mama. Girl, you graduated today. You got the degree today. Something.
That's it.
Do a little pop. Something.
Well, I'm not that expressive.
Girl, you need to be. A lot of don't graduate. A lot of dropped out. Quick.
You graduated.
We're not talking about me. We're talking about people that you was in school with in your class and your
all
shit.
my friends from freshman year dropped out.
Exactly. They ain't here. You know, for whatever the reasons are. However, you graduated. You made it here. And that should be celebrated. That should be an exciting thing.
What's up, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. Today we have the highly anticipated, the most wanted Air Jordan 3 Black Cats. Be sure to tune in for the on-foot pictures and video. Yeah, 2024 has been a crazy year for me. I did just graduate college at Southern University A&M College, which is a HBCU in Louisiana. And, you know, it was kind of hard to juggle these videos, school, and work. But now that we're done with school for right now, I can definitely give y'all more content. Yeah, thank y'all for supporting. Go to 1K. We just going to be dropping more content, and hopefully y'all interact with it. This is the box. Nothing special about the box. Same box as always. It's the paper it comes wrapped in. As you can see, it's obviously an all black monochromatic shoe. We have like this black suede material at the top, and then on like the midsole area, we have a patent leather material. And then we have like a black, I want to say it's gray, black and gray elephant print near the heel and the toe box. And then I did notice the laces. They say it's like supposed to symbolize like a jaguar print or something like that. I'm not too sure about that. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. But these are the laces. They don't come with any other laces. It's the only laces that you get. So if you want to change them out, you'll have to go and get you some black laces. And then on the tongue, we have like this plastic Jumpman right here. Same as on the heel. It's also not like an OG 3 because it doesn't have the Nike Air on the back. It has just the Jumpman and the Air Jordan. These are releasing January 25th. This is obviously an early review. I don't know if they're coming out in full family sizing. This is a men's size, so I'm not too sure about that just yet. But as soon as I know, I will let y'all know.
I've been moving swiftly, can't let me steady running up that paper. I won't stop till I see a million. Free my dogs out penitentiary, and RIP them fallen soldiers. I'm a getting money fella. If you know me, then you know it. I'm the type to get a bag and pop, I won't even show it. Keep your My way, cause for Big Daddy, she gon' throw it. I'm legit like a cat.
I like the shoe. I wear black a lot. I definitely think it's a must cop. Obviously, you can wear this with anything. It's an all black shoe. It's real simple. Not too much about it, but I'm definitely excited for 2025. I'm excited for all the new layout of shoes and what's, like I said, this is a 2025 release. Also, I heard that the Black Cat 4s were also coming out in 2025. These obviously got hype around 2020, the Black Cat name. So this is one pair, and then hopefully the Black Cat 4s will be releasing next year as well. But yeah, I'm just excited for the new year, excited for new videos. Also thought about doing vlogging, just walking around, looking at different shoe stores, pricing, what y'all, anything that y'all want to see, just let me know in the comments and we'll give it to y'all. But this concludes the Black Cat 3 video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. On the road to 1,000 followers still. So y'all keep subscribing, keep sharing my channel. You can always go to 3_shoe_room on Instagram, DM us, and then we can get to it. So yeah, this concludes the video. Thank y'all for watching.
When you beat the body in the studio, they say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal.